Okay, with us getting close to the end of the year, what I'm going to start doing is my year-end wrap-up. I'm going to talk about which fixed blade and which folding blade caught my attention the most, that I've probably wind up using the most, and that I'm most impressed with for the price point. It doesn't mean it's my favorite. It doesn't mean it's the best at anything. It just means it punches way above its weight class and that it's very impressive for the price. We're going to start off with the fixed blade. This is the Watchman in 14C28N Sandvik stainless steel. It's a WF229 model with natural micarta scales. Now, I've roughed these up a little bit with a little bit of sandpaper and a little Scotch-Brite pad, but it just feels absolutely incredible in the hand. So big shout out to the other YouTuber that I saw that reviewed this. I didn't know these existed until I saw his video. I'm sorry his name's escaping me at the moment, but it is much appreciated because this knife has been absolutely indispensable. I've done all sorts of cooking with it. I've carried it at work, outdoors every day, and I mean, this has just been an excellent knife, and it punches way above its weight class. I haven't done the full review on it where I take it out to the stump and use it on a ferro rod and everything else because I've just been so busy using it every single day. But there will be a full review coming this week on this particular knife. But let me just say, absolutely incredible knife for under 25 bucks, and it's just excellent. So if you get the chance and you're looking for a knife like this, check it out. It is a great buy. Now the other one is this little old Kershaw Stockman in G10. I thought it was micarta at first. It's G10, come to find out, but it's just a 3-blade old school slip joint made by Kershaw actually. And I saw them on sale. I was down at Red Hook Cutlery and I saw it. I just couldn't believe the price. It was, I want to say 23, 24 bucks. So I was like, you know what? I really like the shape of this blade. I don't have a Stockman in my collection at the moment. Let me go on and pick this thing up. And this has lived in my pocket ever since I got it. And I'm very glad that I did. I mean, it's just, great fit and finish. I mean, it's about what you would expect from Kershaw. They don't put out bad stuff, let me just say. I'm a big fan of Kershaw, but I mean, it's just there's nothing fancy about it. No frills. It's just an old school 3-blade Stockman in G10, and this thing knocks around in my pocket with flashlights, lighters. Uh, I pick up little stones, rocks, sticks, you name it, and you can't tell. I mean, any other knife would look like it had been through a tumbler, and this thing is still just as smooth as butter. So, highly recommend checking out. This is the Kershaw Brandywine model. They also make one in red bone, I believe. But if this was the red bone version, it would be scratched all the heck by now. Definitely give them a look. These are my 2 picks for 2025. So yeah.